Welcome back. In the previous lectures, we discussed tools that are more or less designed to gather information, which you can use to research your course topics. But of course, there are many other ways to get valuable insights from other sources that are not necessarily meant to get information from, like different social media platforms, forums, blogs, and even book reviews. So we are now moving on to insights to complement the research you've been doing so far. We'll start with social media. On these platforms, people either follow specific creators and influencers in a special field of their interest, or perhaps they even identify with such a group. People can identify with anything, with their jobs, with their hobbies and life situations. And if you, in your turn, can identify such a group and even find it, you can learn more about what interests them, what they relate to, and often what they struggle with, and thus what you can help them with. For example, for my course about mind management, gain brain control, I focus on different ways how you can tame your mind, thoughts, and emotions. On different social channels, you can find lots of valuable input about the struggles of people that are always what they call inside their head, with all kinds of unwanted behavior, situations, and frustrations as a result. It was very easy for me to confirm that this group of people that fit my ideal customer profile for this product is big enough, because almost everyone, especially in Western societies, struggles with this on a daily basis. It was also easy for me to collect input on their biggest challenges and thus on what I had to include in that course when it comes to lectures and modules. So let's move on to the next phase in understanding your potential audience and their needs better by exploring what I would call semi-personalized sources of insights. This step is an engaging blend of indirect and direct research methods. It involves tapping into online platforms where real people share their thoughts, express their struggles, reveal their desires, and comment on what they need. Let's take a look how you can use this information. So first, a social media deep dive. Social media is a goldmine of authentic conversations. Explore platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for communities dedicated to your specific course topic. In these communities, you'll discover active discussions, queries, and experiences shared by potential learners. X hashtags, and of course I mean what was previously known as Twitter, can also give you a view of trending topics and commonly expressed concerns in your field. Remember, while going through these discussions, your goal is not to intrude, but to listen, to understand. Pay attention to the language they use, the tone, and the emotions that they convey. Every specific topic or element of their struggle may deserve a lecture of a module from you. So really listen carefully. This insight will not only help you in your course content, but also your communication strategy, and we will cover that, of course, at length in later lectures. The second one is online forum exploration, and we already covered Quora, but there's also a platform that's called Reddit and other niche-specific forums and platforms where people ask direct questions and engage in detailed discussions on a wide range of topics. These platforms can provide insights in what your ideal customer persona or your potential audience is curious about, struggling with, or what they dream of achieving. Keep an eye out for recurring themes or frequently asked questions. These could reveal a gap in the market that your course could fill. Also, pay attention to the responses and discussions that follow. This can give you a sense of what solutions are already out there, perhaps a competitor of yours, and how well those solutions are received. The third one are book reviews on Amazon. Here's a perhaps unusual but very insightful resource: book reviews. Look up books relevant to your course topic and read through the reviews. You'll find raw and honest feedback about what readers liked and didn't like, what they found useful and helpful, what they felt was missing. These reviews can help you understand what kind of content resonates with your audience and where existing resources are falling short. They can provide clues about the format, the depth and approach your course might benefit from. Then the fourth one, comments on blogs and online articles. Take a look at the comments section of popular blogs, online articles, or even YouTube videos related to your course topic. Much like social media and online forums, these platforms often contain real and honest, what I call raw, discussions and can be a good source of audience insights. Just remember, when reading online comments, be aware that extreme positive or negative feedback can often be outliers. Focus on understanding the broad trends rather than getting swayed by individual extreme opinions. Semi-personalized insights are an invaluable part of your research process. They add depth and color to the data you've gathered from other tools. As you review these sources, remember you're looking to understand not just what your audience needs, but how they express those needs. You're tuning into their hopes, their fears, and their dreams. And with this rich understanding, you'll be well equipped to create a masterclass that really resonates and sells. There's an assignment linked to this lecture, so take a look, and I'll see you in the next lecture after the assignment. Bye.